My name is Keisha Brewer, and I'm the founder of PRocon, the most authentic space for public relations, marketing, media, and communications professionals to connect, learn, and grow. Today, for year 3, we have over 300 attendees waiting to connect, learn, and grow. And also, most importantly, go pro in their passion. We have workshops, panel sessions, keynote speakers, and we are just here to really network and understand what does it really take to be a communications professional. We're talking trends. We're talking how to grow businesses to the next level, and we're doing it all here.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Morgan Tyler here. I am at PRocon. Look, today has already been incredible, so I don't know if you want to just make sure that you get a ticket next time because you don't want to miss out.
Hey everyone, I'm here at PRocon 2024, and my experience has been wonderful, rooted in community, networking, meeting amazing Black women in various fields, and I'm so honored to be here. Thank you so much for having me. Can't wait to explore the day and be back again next year. See you soon.
It's not who you are and where you come from, but it's how you walk in the room and take everything you have to say, oh, I'm gonna do this, watch me.
So it's one of those things where we're being creative in the space that we're already in, but we can't wait for someone to say, here's an opportunity for you. You have to go out and create the opportunity for yourself.
This is my 3rd year at PRocon, and it has truly been amazing and impactful, and today I have learned how to grow and expand my business.
My PRocon experience, and my first one actually this year, 2024, has been amazing. And I mean amazing, I have learned from the highest of highest people, and I'm so grateful, and I thank everyone here for networking.
Be confident in your skills, be a continuous learner, and know that you can pivot any which way you want to at any given time.
I am at PRocon, going pro in your passion, and I'm here from Atlanta, Georgia. Super excited to be here. Just finished up the Attract, Retain, and Secure the Bag workshop, and it was amazing. You should be here.
I start by saying I actually don't like being in front of people. This is a skill I developed. It's not a natural personality of mine. I am quite okay being in the back of the room. I'm quite okay being on your team. I'm quite okay serving you. But I understand the skill set has positioned me in places that only God could do.
PRocon has been amazing. It's my first time here, and I will definitely be back. So far, the speakers have been amazing. They've done wonderfully. I've learned so much. One thing in particular is that it is okay to be multifaceted. It is okay to be a multi-hyphenate, and I'm so excited.
Hi, I'm here at PRocon. It's been an amazing experience. I'm learning so much from the best of the best in the industry, and I'm so grateful to be here.
I'm so excited to be here with my fellow PR girlies and guys, marketing folks, media folks, and everyone in between. Make sure you go pro in your passion.
PRocon 2024, and we hope to see you next year.